materials, tapos pencil or coupon band, and then Oslo. Kung ano yung meron doon, ha? Oslo or coupon band. Tapos, this is our theme. Okay, healthy diet, going affordable for all. Once more, healthy diet, going affordable for all. So, sana wala po ako makita dyan na magdo-drawing lang ng talong, ng kamates, ng apple, and then that's it. Okay? What is your idea to the team? Huwag kayong mag-alala kung hindi ninyo matatapos yan today, pwede nyong tapusin yan until tomorrow kasi gagawa pa naman tayo ng slogan. Okay? So, question. What is your question? Poster, yeah. What else? What question? What are the questions? Healthy diet, going affordable for all. Okay na?